Welcome you all to this training session. I hope all you are well, and especially we are going to discuss on a software that has the immense value in the market, and so many people in the different part of the world are working on the software. So this is a huge opportunity of earning by this software, and especially for the beginner and for the online uh, users who are inclined to earn money online. So we are going to start this software. Actually, this is one of the biggest social media platform, and I will tell you how you will work here and how you will convert your money points to money. This is the big problem for this software. You are working here for points, but you are not getting money. So I will answer the questions how you will solve this problem. And so there is a huge opportunity of converting your points to money. So do not skip the video and start watching from the beginning to the end, because within a few minutes of time I'm going to tell you how you will convert your earned points into money. Starting from the 2020, we are observing the progress of the software, and there was a problem we identified this software, and that was the reason for which we are waiting for to upload this video for the users of the mastery.net. But the problem has been solved by our team, by the consultation of the mastery.net, and that's why we are here to tell you how we can solve the problem and how we can convert these points to money. This is the amazing software for earning points, and by playing on the different parts of the software, you will be able to earn money. But the thing is that the points cannot be easily converted into money. So we had a plan, and now we are going to discuss gradually. So let's go to the job page. You are watching here that your job page. This is your job page, and you are watching the interface of the mastery.net, right? So your main responsibility is to click on the interface and go to the software. After clicking on the interface, you will get an sign up button, and then after completing sign up, you will get an interface like this. So this is the interface of the inner side of the software. After entering into the software by signing, just first you will sign up, then sign in, then enter into the software, and then you will get these types of pictures. Here you are watching the total point, 5,448. Here I am watching the total point is, and the question is that how we will earn points. These points can be converted into so many ways. You can sell these points into the international market. This is number one way. And secondly, you can convert these points to many purposes. And in that case, mastery.net is going to help you. So firstly, your main objective is to you have to focus on the how you will earn points. In the screen you are watching that I have clicked on the Facebook links, and the interface is coming like this, and here I'm going to click on the like button. Then you are watching, I am going to again click on like button, then I am going to close it, the pop-up, and then what's the points. See, the points has raised, and the 5,455 now. Okay, so this is the way how we will work. But one more thing I want to tell you, that you should try to use Facebook account other than your personal account. Try to use another Facebook account. So these are the ways and how you will earn points by playing on Facebook links. On the left hand side of your screen you are watching so many products: Facebook likes, Facebook share, Facebook followers, Facebook post like, FB post share, Telegram channel, Instagram followers, Instagram likes, TikTok followers, TikTok video, so many. But it means is not that you have to open accounts on all of the platform. You just choose the platform on which you will work and how you will earn point. The program or the software or social media platform that by which you will earn are going to earn point, you will just open an account on that. Okay, and then you see at the screen there are so many platforms, but you are not going to work on all of them. Everybody who have come here to earn money online, most of them have Facebook account, YouTube accounts, Instagrams, TikTok, this types of platform. So 4 to 5 platform is okay, you can earn a lot of points. But working on this site, it is obviously true that you can easily earn up to $2,000 per month if you positively work on it, because number 1,000 point may be sold up to 1.25 or 1.30, $1.5. 1,000 point equal to $1.5. So you can imagine the number of points, and if the number of points are increased, then your earning will be increased. These points, now I'm focusing on the transitions or on the conversion of the points into cash. I have told you that this point can be sold into the international market, but the problem is that there are so many sales posts are pending at the international market, and nobody was purchasing from the international software, and at which the most of the people who are earning points from the admin first and selling their points at the international software, but no one is purchasing. You can see admin first also itself sell their points to the users globally, and the different people from the different parts of the world are purchasing their points and reutilizing it into the software. This is another one of the problem. You are watching that and at the left hand side there are products, and everybody have an account on this platform, especially Facebook and YouTube, and the person who have YouTube channel, he is trying to promote his YouTube channel and Instagram channel so that he can earn money or she can earn money. But the problem is that you are inclined to have 10,000 like, and you are investing point accordingly. 10,000, let's have an example. You are trying to get 10,000 like, Facebook like or YouTube like, and you are investing 5 point per like. Then 5 into 10 equal to 50,000 points you have purchases, and you have set to promote your channel. But the problem is that you will not get 50,000 like, but your point will be lost. This is another problem of this site, and there is no explanation for it. And this problem slightly has been reduced by the Masberry.net, and Masberry.net is offering to his members, and that is Masberry members, the person who are working at the Masberry.net, to submit these points to the Masberry.net, so that Masberry.net can take care of this point and can promote the channels of other client of the Masberry.net. So your prime responsibility is to convert to earn point here and to sell it to the marketplace of the Masberry.net, so that they can sell it, and at the same time you have to find out the person or the people who wants to promote his channel. So thing is that you have to create gigs, marketing gigs or marketing platform or marketing post to the different social media, so that you can sell your points. At the same time, you are earning points, and at the another side is you are promoting your promoting to sell your point. So Masberry.net is one of the platform that will help you to convert or exchange your point, and at the same time you will also find out the client and this client, and you will provide this client to the Masberry.net, and Masberry.net will professionally handle this point to the client, and the money received, and Masberry.net will provide you after deducting commission. So these are the points how you will settle your points. The third point is that you can utilize this point to purchase training module of the Masberry.net, so that you can develop your skill and can earn more money by investing lower time. Each and every micro jobs needs to invest much more time to earn money, but on the other hand, there are so many macro jobs that takes to little much more less time to earn money, and they invest and they have to invest so not so much time. So thing is that the person who are beginner, who have no skill, who are trying to learn, they have to start with the micro jobs, and then gradually they develop and go to the macro jobs. This is the reality of this market. So nobody is going to help to anybody. You have to help yourself. This is the most important part you have to keep in mind. So we have to learn, we have to develop our skill, and the Masberry.net is offering you to exchange your points to the ultimate option, and to deliver your point to the Masberry.net, and at the same time you are getting option to exchange your point. And by this way, the point you are earning from the points you are earning from AdMe Fast and Easy for You and Follow Fast, all the softwares are from which you are going to earn money. All the softwares from which you are going to earn points, you can easily convert these points to money by Masberry.net, and this point can be utilized can be exchanged with the energy point of the Masberry.net. I hope you have understood well the energy points. I am not going to explain the energy points again, but the one thing is that the Masberry.net marketplace is one of the biggest site, biggest space for the biggest opportunity for the users of the Masberry.net to exchange point and to convert it and to sell it and to earn money. So mechanism is that you are earning points, you are selling the points, you are getting the cash. You are earning points, you are promoting to sell the points, you are getting cash. You are earning points, you are exchanging the point with the energy point of the Masberry.net, or you are getting support or opportunity from the Masberry.net. You are earning points, you are selling the points, you are exchanging the points and purchasing the training schedule from the Masberry.net. So there are so many ways you can really easily understand. You will be able to really understand it clearly if you visit the marketplace. Now the question is the marketplace. What is the marketplace of the Masberry.net? You do not have to worry for that. Masberry.net will set automatically marketplace button at your personal page after getting qualification or after achieving qualification of your point. When you submit your point, there is a minimum threshold limit for the energy point. Until or unless you are achieving the threshold limit of the energy point of the Masberry.net, you will not get the option to place your sales order of points achieved from the other side to the Masberry.net marketplace. So if you qualify at the up to the threshold limit of the Masberry.net, then you will get the button at your personal page. So this is the reality. and by this way the members of the massberry.net will be able to exchange their points and to convert it and to sell it and to exchange it and to ultimately to be benefited. But this problem is not solved, or this problem not solved by the other users or other members who are earning points from this site. They are now still suffering, and they are now posting some placing posts for selling points, but no one is going to buy the points. This is the most important and the most frustrating issue of this site massberry.net. Add me first and it's easy for you site, and for the points achieved from the follow first can be easily sold, so far as I know, and though there is no bad report from that site still now. But the thing is that if there is so, then we will solve into our massberry.net platform. So thank you so much. Welcome you all to this training session. I hope all you are well, and especially we are going to discuss on a software that has the immense value in the market, and so many people in the different part of the world are working on the software. So this is a huge opportunity of earning by this software, and especially for the beginner and for the online users who are inclined to earn money online. So we are going to start this software. Actually, this is one of the biggest social media platform,